So we just created a brand new intro for my GTA 6 YouTube channel. I kind of want to just like maybe do a couple of tweaks to the profile picture, and honestly I want to change the entire name of this channel. There's a lot of rebranding that we need to do. We're gonna do that in this video. Hit that thumbs up button and let's get to the video. Let's get it. So just in case you missed it, this is the new intro for our gaming channel.
I'm on my way.
Bro, stop playing. Stop playing. This intro is nasty. Nasty. Filthy. Alright, like, nah, we snap with this one. KOOLY. That is gonna be the new name of the channel. I decided that I cannot be somebody like I don't own GTA. I'm not affiliated with GTA. So it's kind of crazy to have GTA in the name of my channel. You know what I mean? Like I gotta build my own brand, you know? And you know, GTA they can honestly get me up out of here if they wanted to, you know, but they can cease and desist, you know, release all the funds. They could get into stuff like that. We don't want that, right? The next steps in this journey of this channel is to change the name. We're gonna work on the profile picture. I already have something in mind, and let's get straight to it. Now we're gonna keep the banner. That banner is sexy. You know what I'm saying? That banner is nice. I love it. But we're gonna actually change this because this it doesn't look the same as the AI that we used here. This AI looks different from him, looks different from him, looks different from him. So we have a lot of stuff going on. But basically, look, we're gonna use a picture like this for the profile picture. So this is the editing file of the intro. I'm gonna take this screenshot right here, and this is gonna be our new profile picture. So this is how it's looking. We have to actually crop it though, so it don't look too insane. All right guys, so here's a picture right here. It's looking crazy. This channel, I'm sorry, but this channel is gonna snap so hard. This channel is gonna have 5 million subscribers. You're gonna see me on a yacht. Next, give me 12 months. You're gonna see me on a yacht. You're gonna see, it's gonna, bruh, it's gonna be, bruh. I'm talking Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Maybachs. It's gonna be nasty. It's gonna be nasty. But we gotta get there though. We gotta get there. Let me know which one are you guys going for? I don't know. I feel like both of them is nasty. Both of them is hard. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Number one or number two. Which one do you guys think? All right, so we're gonna end up changing it. We're gonna use this and see exactly what's the vibe that we're getting from it. Obviously, we can change it no matter what. But this is the vibe we're going for. Now the next step that we have to take is changing the name of the YouTube channel. This one hurts. You know, I actually liked GTA Driip. It made me feel like I actually worked there. It made me feel like I was like a part of the team. You know what I'm saying? Like it made me feel like I was actually one of the guys. But once you realize that you can probably get sued, you know what I'm saying? They might send somebody to my doorstep. You never know what might happen. Cease and desist. So we have to change the name, and it's gonna be simply KOOLY. I don't know. That's where we're going for right now. One day I'll tell it. But this, guys, I'm feeling really good about this. This is feeling like me, like I could actually do this, and it's just my confidence is rising. You know, my confidence is rising. I need to see that new Driip. That new, let's get it. See, this is what I'm talking about. That, bro, when people see, bruh, I could just picture 1 million subscribers right here. 1, 000 comma 000. Like this makes me excited, bro. This is gonna be my own brand, and this is gonna be completely focused on cars. So as the time continues to go on, I'm gonna build playlists of car videos. I'm gonna build guides. I'm gonna build videos on where to find the best cars, or maybe I'll have breakdowns of all the cars. Bro, there's so many possibilities that we can get into. There's gonna be a lot of people making GTA channels. There's gonna be a lot of people making GTA content. But over here, we're staying strictly on cars. There's gonna be a section of people that are obsessed with cars in GTA. There's gonna be a set amount of people that want to watch car videos about GTA. They want to know what cars are in the game. They want to know what cars can you find, what can you modify your cars with, what can you do, different things that you can do with cars. And guess who's gonna have all of that content? Being that I love cars so much, I'm gonna put all of my love for cars and my love for this game. It's gonna match up, and we're gonna make tons and tons and tons of content. This is gonna take a lot of research. This is gonna take a lot of time, but we're gonna do it. Now you guys know that I'm documenting every single thing that I do for this channel, even the small things like changing the name, changing the profile picture. I want you guys to know that you can do this too. If you want to create a GTA 6 YouTube channel, find a space where you can fit in. If you love weapons, if you love cars, if you love, say, buildings and maps and all these other things, you can create a, maybe say like a sub niche, and you can create content and dominate in that niche. That's the end of this video. The title has been changed. The profile picture has been changed. This video is coming down. I have a brand new set of just ideas that I want to put for this channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. My back, it hurting. You know what I mean? If you want to see more of this YouTube journey of building this GTA 6 channel, click this video right up here, and I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Peace.